Press, first of all, everybody standing in alignment, right? That means you don't look at me with your eyes, you look at me with your hair. Everything is straight and centered. So, you separate your spine by pressing the top of your head up to the ceiling, up past the ceiling. Your chin does not rise up, because if your chin goes up, that means you close the last two cervical vertebrae in your neck, right? So you have your chin tucked very slightly, so you're reaching up with the top of your head, separating your spine. You get an instant lengthening when you do that. The tip of your tongue touches the roof of your mouth. Your toes and heels together. We're going to do the call of the most powerful expression of the mountain poses I know you've done a million times. You press your feet down hard into the floor. Your arms at the side straight, right? Press your feet down hard to the floor. So they go past the floor, past the ground, all the way so hard they can see the soles of your feet in China. Your kneecaps lock when you do this. Your thighs tighten. You feel your belly buttons pull back to your spine. You keep that engagement very deliberately, so that you're not breathing through your stomach now, you're breathing through your chest. Huh? You rotate your shoulders upward and backwards to open your chest even more, so that there's more room for your energy to expand. Tip your tongue to the roof of your mouth. You breathe through your nose, of course, in and out. Belly's not moving. And now, you tense your body with every molecule of your being, so the veins in your neck pop. You're trying to blast up to the ceiling. Profound, complete. Your fingernails are tense. Eh? Then you can't take it anymore, you relax. Right? Okay, good. Of course, your purpose here is to awaken a profound relaxation. The more profound your tension, intensity, the more profound is the corresponding relaxation that you awaken. Okay? Yes, this does make sense, man.